We are here with June Jabbar of Shoot Pogi, who is our French player of the game. June, you scored 23 points with 14 rebounds, 2 assists. What can you tell me about your game today, man?
Sa, sa total game team effort, saka yung naglaro kami ng gusto, yung mga teammate ko nagtutulungan. Kaya kami nanalo sa wakas.
Yeah, speaking of which, first game of the season, you guys, natatalo kayo ng first half. Second half, nakahabol kayo. Anong kinailangan yung gawin para makahabol?
Yung bola, para maraming pasa para makashoot kami ng maganda, hindi yung nagmamadali.
Alright, any last shoutouts, mga gusto yung batiin, kuya?
Binabati ko yung mga katrabaho ko sa Shaled. Saka, go pasa!